Welcome to Ballad by Lionheart, tips and tricks for everyday soul, where logic meets a flame and every tip speaks with purpose. Last time we used Desk Manager to breathe life back into your PC. Today we deep dive into a simple tool that's often overlooked, Desk Cleanup, shall we? You can use Desk Cleanup to clear even more space. Just type Desk Cleanup in Start menu and open the app, or press Run as an administrator. It will scan your system and show a list of file types you can delete. Some of them are safe, like temporary files, thumbnails, and items in the recycle bin. But be cautious if you're not sure what something is. Don't check it. It's always okay to stick to the basics. If you're unsure, don't worry. Here's a quick list of what's safe to delete every day. Cautious list. Before deleting them, think twice. System restore. They are your backup plan. If something breaks, shadow copies, old versions of files, sometimes a lifesaver, and ESD files. Without them, you cannot reset your system without extra tools. Unless you are low on space or fully backed up, it's safer to keep them. Even a simple cleanup deserves intention. Let your system breathe, but don't strip its safety net. Return next time for another tips and tricks of everyday soul.